Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to temporarily disable your Instagram account. For this, you have to open your Instagram account. Second is to visit your profile. Third step is to click on the top right corner of settings. By scrolling down, you will see the option of account center. Just simply click on it. Here, by scrolling down, you will see the option of personal detail. Now you have to click on it. Here you can see there are personal details. In it, you have to click on the third option. Then here written over deactivation or deletion. From here you can deactivate your account temporarily as well as permanent. But I have to deactivate my account temporarily. So I will do continue. For safety measure, you have to write your password. And for this, you have to also tell a reason like I am here on getting option, I just need a break. Now you can just simply have to click on the deactivate account. You can see that our account has been deactivated. You can log in it again also for within a 1 month. Hope you like the video. Thank you.